In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Visual Studio Code. Launch your Visual Studio Code app. This is the usual interface of Visual Studio. Let's open a code file for better understanding. In the bottom left corner, click on the settings icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Themes. From here, click on Color Theme. In the pop-up, you have a lot of themes. All of the themes under the dark section are types of dark themes. Let's try them one by one. This is the normal Visual Studio dark theme. Let's go back to the theme window. This is the default dark theme. This is the default dark plus theme. This is the Kimby dark theme. This is the Monokai dark theme. This is the Solarized dark theme. This is the Visual Studio 2019 dark theme. This is the High Contrast dark theme. From these vast options of dark themes, you can choose any one of them to your liking.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.